It is day 9 on board Carnival Encounter and it's a sea day. We are headed to a cooking demonstration first thing after breakfast, so we're going to have a look at that. And we're going to try out Luke's burger bar today for lunch, so see what the food's like there because it is an extra charge. Hopefully it's good. And then who knows what else we're going to do today. We'll just kind of see how the day takes us. So today's demonstration is from Luke's. They gave us recipe cards, which I don't know if they actually gave them out at the last one for Trattoria, but we're going to go ask later. And they're making the creme brulee, which is what you were going to order. But we had to leave early to get to the show, so hopefully we'll be able to try it if we're lucky. Or at least we'll be able to see it made. So Daniel and Erin, if you're watching, I have vowed to make this next time you come over. So we'll see how that goes. Yeah. Biscotti from scratch and everything.
Well, we've got the fire blanket down here, so let's just put it that way.
Nice plating here.
Here we go.
The saffron.
Oh, look at that.
Can't try this one. This is the plating supposed to be in the loaf.
Yeah. There we go. This is some stuff we got in Nimbin a couple of weeks back, so this is good stuff. There we go. No, please note no mushrooms.
Put it there.
In the oven, over there.
In the oven. Yes. Okay, leave it there. Stay there. Stay.
I wait.
Yeah, you wait until he cook.
Done.
How long, chef? How long?
Maybe 1 hour.
Now,
Okay.
pay close attention to the size of the ramekin dish. Yeah. Wow, look at that.
I get some. Now this is sugar-free dessert, so I give some meat. Somebody to try this one.
That nearly went badly. Then we've got to find out what the difference between the pig salt and the other salt was. Okay.
Now before you start,
Taste.
this is yours. Ben, right.
Oh, we'll save that. We'll save that for Ron.
Yes, go then. Let's get right. Sorry, Ben.
Oh, well, I'm going to be up for days. Jesus.
Oh, yeah.
There's a bit of sugar in this one.
I think you need a shogun.
I need to torch the sugar a bit more, but that's right.
Ain't critiquing.
We're good. Yeah. All right, so that is $12.50. You can get it for $15 with fries, but we decided to just get the fries from the buffet because by the time we went to the buffet, got the fries, came back, they still hadn't. This was like 20 minutes. So we'll see if it's worth it. Oh, that's good. You'd probably pay like $12 to $15 for that in a restaurant on land. But this is supposed to be a value cruise line. So I won't do it again, but it's nice. So at least it's good. What do you think?
It's a beef burger. It's nothing special about it. It's just a beef burger. But to be honest, if I paid $12.50 for this because I had to buy lunch, I wouldn't be upset. But given that I can eat off the buffet for free, I don't see the point. It's not gourmet.
Speaking of not value for money, I got this mocktail. It was full, granted. $13? It's not worth $13. They advertise having raspberries. That's raspberry syrup, not raspberries. It literally just tastes like lemonade with some raspberry syrup in it. Not worth it. And mocktails are not included in the non-alcoholic beverage package.
All right, what did you write?
I wrote clothes.
You wrote clothes. Do you guys want to swap parents? That's okay. Is that a match?
No.
Oh my goodness.
One of the islands had this. It was large.
Sit on your hands right now, sir.
It was large.
You should always peel a blank before you eat it. So write down an answer on your board. What do you think you should peel?
Banana.
Everybody else is going to be writing an answer on their boards as well.
A day in the life of a captain. What does a captain do?
Nothing.
So how did we stay where we were in Conflict Island yesterday without the anchor?
How did we stay? Yes, we were holding position. Okay, so many ships, many new ships now has a technology which is called dynamic position. You just press a button and the technology does the job. I can be captain of anything that is floating, but Now I'm qualified for the passenger ship. If I would like to move to the tanker ship, I need to attend the training specific for the tanker, just a week, 10 days training, and yeah, then I can go also there.
It is our third formal night and second last dinner on the ship. We are at Waterfront tonight, which hasn't been the best, but we always fingers crossed for a good time. Okay, so the pumpkin soup was really good. Always a good fan of pumpkin soup. The roast chicken was dry, which is disappointing, but usually as expected. Restaurants don't seem to be able to do, in general, don't seem to be able to make roast chicken not dry. How was yours?
Look, mine was quite good.
Pork chop was good. Dessert, Carnival chocolate melting cake was not hot again. Creme brulee did not have enough of the sugar on top, so it didn't really crack. And the cheesecake itself was very bland. You had to put the raspberry sauce on top, which personally, for someone who's a big dessert connoisseur, the sauce should elevate the flavor, not supply it. So that's just my opinion. We're just dropping off our new shot glasses, shall we? We've got little Carnival shot glasses. Just dropping them off at the room before we head to the production show for the night. He's a penguin. He's so cute.
Let's get it started. Let's get it started here. Just a night away. Let somebody gets a little more. Let me see you wave your hands. I am champion, and you're gonna hear me roar loud, louder than I, 'cause I am champion. Starting a bad romance. Starting a bad romance.
That was the best show of the whole cruise. It's probably the one that felt like the most carnival, which was fantastic. But it is now about 10 o'clock, so we're gonna head to bed before our very last sea day. See you then.